Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this is a new video in your technical part. In this part we will be covering the highway engineering questions. Okay, so we will be solving the previous year questions which have come under your highway engineering questions. So this will also be important for your JLEE 2020 examination. We have already uploaded videos on surveying part 1 and part 2, also the previous year questions of your JLEE. So you can check out these questions from the link given in the information or also from the description box of the video. So okay, so let us start off with the first video. So let us start with the first question. See what is given in the first question. The super elevation required for a curve of radius 100 and a design speed of 50 km/h on a hill road. Okay, so this topic is from design of super elevation. Design of super elevation topic to jodi moi detailed cover koribo lage, you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, so basically ami ki korim ki we will calculate the first step is to calculate the super elevation denoted by E for mixed traffic. Mixed traffic or karone ulaute ami ki koru, we consider 75% of the design speed. Design speed or ki koru 75% low, and we neglect coefficient of friction. Okay, so we know the formula E plus F is equals to V square upon 127 R. So in that we will put F equals to what? 0. So E will be equals to, and in place of V we will place 75% of V, that is 0.75 V. Okay, so 0.75 V whole square divided by 127 R. ठीक है सर. So 0.75 V किमान दिया है हमाक, we will put it in km/h only because it किमान km/h unit है. So whole square divided by 127, radius किमान दिया है, sorry, 127, radius given here as 100, so your answer will come out to be 0.11 meter. So welcome to option here, sir. Option number A will be your correct option. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next question to solve. The minimum width of pavement of a national highway should be, a value to kune dise amak, it is given by IRC. IRC is nothing but Indian Road Congress. Indian Road Congress kita established in the year 1934. Okay, and it was by the recommendation of which committee? By the recommendation of the Jayakar committee. ठीक है सर. And IRC होय कि it is a semi-official technical body. ठीक है सर. From IRC we know that the value for width of pavement for a national highway is 5.7 meter. Okay, so next question ki diya ase, super elevation on horizontal curves of highways are provided to. We know super elevation is provided to counteract what? Provided to counteract centrifugal force. Right? We all know that, because effect of centrifugal force. What is the effect of centrifugal force? If centrifugal force has two effects on a moving body in a horizontal curve. One is it will turning effect, and next is your transverse skidding. দুটা effect হয় কি হয় vehicle either overturn hobo নহলে বা skid hobo. Condition কি আছিলে, P by W for overturning should be less than equals to B by 2H. ঠিক আছে, আৰু P by W should be less than equals to coefficient of friction for laterals. Okay, so এই ইফেক্ট কিটা যদি বেলেগকে মই বুজাব লাগে, কাৰণ এইটো ভিডিওত যদি মই এইটা ইফেক্ট বুজাবলৈ ধৰো, then it will take a long time, ভিডিওটো বেছি লম্বা হৈ যাব. So if you want you can comment. যদি লাগে ডিটেইল you can comment in the comment section. Okay, so কি হ'ব সোৱা maintain adequate stopping distance নহয়, improve pavement unevenness নহয়, to reduce tendency of a vehicle to skid. Yes, this is one of the correct options. So C will be your correct answer. Next one কি দিয়া আছে, value of camber recommended for cement concrete road in the area of heavy rainfall is. Camber আমি কিয় provide কৰো, camber is provided to heavy rainy region. যদি rainy region পৰে camber কি কৰে, it will help to clear the water from the road surface, right? So that is why we provide camber. Now IRC recommendation দিয়ে আমাক camber কিমান কিমান আমি provide কৰিব লাগে. So এটা টেবুলৰ পৰা আমি চাই লওঁ. So icon table, this table is given by IRC, Indian Road Congress. So কি দিয়া আছে, first is cement concrete and thick bituminous surface কাৰণে in case of heavy rainfall and low rainfall. Heavy rainfall at kiman 2%, low rainfall at 1.7%. Then thin bituminous surface tar karone kiman 2.5 increase hol, aru yat chwa yare 2% to yat likhise, mane yat 2% monot rakhibole easy he karone dekhaisu. Water bound macadam and gravel pavement tat kiman aku 0.5 increase hoise, 0.5 ke increase hoise, thik ase, aku yar 2.5 to kod ahi gol, yat ahi gol. So next is the earth road or the village road. ঠিক আছে, village road at kiman 4%, 1% increase hoise, again this 3% has come to this side. So our question ki hoise hudisile cement concrete pavement for heavy rainfall, so our value will be 2%. So 2% or 1 in 50 ekai kotha. So the correct option will be C for concrete road in area of heavy rainfall. Next bar tumalok beleg question dibo pare, so janibo lage. In accordance with the system of viscosity grading of bitumen, the bitumen designated as VG30 signifies at. ঠিক আছে, viscosity grading আমি জানো কেনেকৈ কৰিছিলো, আগতে viscosity grading কৰিছিলো আমি by penetration grade বা penetration মেথডেৰে যেটো আমি ভ্যালু পাওঁ, penetration grading কৰিছিলো আগতে আমি, and nowadays we do it by viscosity grading. ঠিক আছে, Bureau of Indian Standards এও viscosity grading recommend কৰে. Now viscosity grading আমি কৰো কেনেকৈ, penetration grade তোমাল লিখিছে 80/100 তেনেকৈ আমি ডেজিগনেট কৰো. গ্ৰেডিং মানে কি, বিটুমেন টু কিমান গ্ৰেডৰ হয়, মানে কিমান কোৱালিটি ভাল, কিমান টেম্পাৰেচাৰ সাসেপ্টিবিলিটি হয়, হেবোৰ আমি তাৰ গ্ৰেডেৰে গম পাওঁ. Now VG 630 মানে কি, VG means viscosity grading. 30 কি signify কৰি আছে, 30 signifying its viscosity. ঠিক আছে, viscosity তো আমি কিমান টেম্পাৰেচাৰ লওঁ, এটা টেম্পাৰেচাৰ অফ 60 ডিগ্ৰী আমি কি viscosity লওঁ, absolute viscosity. ঠিক আছে, ইয়াত VG 30 মানে কি ডিনোট কৰি আছে, VG মানে the viscosity grading, 30 মানে 3000 poise তাৰ viscosity ডিনোট কৰি আছে. And variation আমি কিমান লওঁ, plus minus 20%. তাৰ মানে 20% of 3000 কিমান হ'ব, 600 poise. তাৰ মানে আমি কিমান লৈকে accept কৰিম, minus 600 কৰা কিমান হ'ব, 2400 ডৰ পৰা ৰেঞ্জ কিমান হ'ব, 3600. So ইয়াৰ ৰেঞ্জৰ ভিতৰত যদি viscosity টো পৰে, we designate the bitumen as VG30. I hope you have understood. So কি হ'ব, absolute viscosity at কিমানত কৈছো মই, 60 ডিগ্ৰী ওলাও, 3000 plus minus 600 poise মানে কিমান, plus minus 20%. ঠিক আছে, I hope this is clear. তাৰ মানে যদি suppose তোমাক next কিতাবা যদি দিয়ে যে viscosity VG10 মানে কি, VG10 মানে কি হ'ব, 1000 poise আৰু plus minus কি 20%. তাৰ মানে কিমান লৈকে acceptable, 800 ৰ পৰা 1200 poise লৈকে মোৰ range to acceptable হ'ব. ঠিক আছে, I hope this is clear. Next questions ba, in desire line diagram of origin and destination study, so desire lines ami kitia draw koru, when we conduct, desire lines are drawn when we conduct origin and destination study. Origin and destination study method ki ase, eta to hol tumar roadside interview method, তাৰ পিছত আছে তোমাৰ লাইসেন্স প্লেট মেথড পোস্ট কাৰ্ড মেথড আছে এটা so basically আমি কৰো কি we take one origin from where a trip will be made মানে suppose এখন গাড়ী ইয়াৰ পৰা যাব and কোলৈকে যাব this will be my destination so কিমান বাৰ হাজোৱা কৰিব we will calculate the number of trips calculate কৰিম and we will plot this number of trips in a graphical representation hey graphical representation to কিহত হ'ব graphical representation আমি কিহত কৰিম in your graphical representation will be carried out by the desired lines ঠিক আছে diagram এটা চাই লও আমি বেছি ভালকে বুজিম so this is an example of your origin and destination study where you have drawn the desired lines so ইয়াত কি কৈছে circle বোৰ originally denote কৰি আছে and square বোৰ destination তাৰ মানে এইবোৰ কি হৈ যাব origin এটো হৈ যাব destination এইবোৰ origin এটো destination now so ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈকে যিমান বাৰ গৈছে now this thickness of the line এই লাইনৰ thickness বোৰ কি ডিনোট কৰি আছে number of trips ইয়াত চোৱা তুমি then number of vehicles car per units মানে যিমান ঠিক ইমান যদি ঠিক হয় then কিমান number of trips হৈছে 5000 তাতকে অলপ কম thickness যদি 3000 2000 1000 আৰু একদম সবতকে পাতলা ডাল কি 500 so এই thickness বোৰ ডিনোট কৰি আছে কি number of trips and number of trips অকল origin পৰা destination নহয় destination পৰা origin হ'ব so for both way trips hobo so answer to saw ami ki hobo width of desired line is proportional to the number of trips in one direction nohoy length of desired line is proportional to the number of trips in both direction length or nohoy width of desired line is proportional to the number of trips in both direction width to head depend kore and in both direction so C will be your correct option okay so we have come to the end of the video in the first part asile okay same as survey korim ami in the next part we will provide some additional question again 10 questions are remaining we will cover that in the next part of the highway engineering question okay and we will finish the highway engineering question so if you have not watched the previous videos on survey do watch and also we have uploaded the mathematics part also mathematics is very important so 30 questions aibo mathematics part or pura and each question is 4 marks so 120 marks mathematics after technical mathematics is most important so ami already upload korisu videos bur you can check out from the link given in the description box so if you like the video do press the like button share with your friends and family subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button so that you do not miss an update from our channel thanks a lot from team CSL